อย่าหยุดอย่าทนหัวใจเสรีบนสองล้อเหล็กปลดปล่อยวิญญาณไม่มีใครเช็ควันไปก็เราไปให้สุดจับมือธรรมชาติไม่เคยหยุด
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your one.